MVP Auto Review. Welcome to another exciting deep dive into the automotive future, and today we're talking about the 2026 Mercedes S-Class, a car that has long set the gold standard for luxury sedans and once again proves why it's considered the pinnacle of automotive refinement. The S-Class has always been a blend of innovation, craftsmanship, and technological leadership, and the 2026 model year takes all of those qualities to new heights, delivering a driving experience that feels like a leap into the future. The first thing you notice about the 2026 S-Class is its evolved design language. Mercedes has refined the exterior with smoother, more aerodynamic lines that manage to look both commanding and graceful. The iconic grille remains bold and instantly recognizable, but it's flanked by slimmer, more intelligent digital headlights with adaptive laser technology that can project navigation cues directly onto the road. The profile remains long and elegant, with a sweeping roofline that tapers into a sculpted rear end. Even the door handles have been redesigned to sit flush with the body, enhancing aerodynamics while adding a touch of modern minimalism. The available color palette includes several new hues, including a deep metallic emerald and an opulent rose gold, adding exclusivity to the already premium image. Step inside and you're greeted by what can only be described as a luxury sanctuary. Mercedes has pushed the boundaries of interior craftsmanship with a blend of ultra-soft Nappa leather, open-pore wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats have a new multi-contour design with deeper side bolstering for comfort, integrated heating, cooling, and a new 8-point massage system that can be tailored to specific muscle groups. Rear passengers enjoy executive lounge seating, complete with extending leg rests, heated armrests, and an ambient lighting system that can shift in intensity and color based on mood or time of day. Dominating the dashboard is the latest generation MBUX Hyperscreen, now even wider and sharper, stretching nearly pillar to pillar with OLED technology. The display integrates the instrument cluster, infotainment, and passenger entertainment system into one seamless panel. The AI-powered interface can anticipate your needs, whether it's adjusting climate controls, suggesting a scenic route, or even reading your messages aloud in a natural voice. Gesture controls have been improved, and a new 4D sound system from Burmester uses hidden vibration elements in the seats to make you feel the bass physically, adding a cinema-like effect to your favorite tracks. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers a range of powertrains, from a refined inline-six with mild hybrid assistance to a twin-turbocharged V8 and an advanced plug-in hybrid variant that delivers over 60 miles of pure electric range. All versions are tuned for smooth, effortless power delivery, and the electric-assisted steering makes maneuvering such a large sedan almost effortless. The suspension has been updated with the latest e-active body control system, capable of scanning the road ahead and adjusting each wheel's damping individually to provide an uncannily smooth ride. Mercedes has also made a significant leap in autonomous driving capabilities. The 2026 S-Class can now operate in full hands-free mode on approved highways, handling lane changes, merges, and traffic conditions on its own while you relax. Safety remains paramount, with a suite of sensors and cameras monitoring surroundings in real time, and an advanced collision avoidance system that can predict and prevent many accidents before they happen. The driving experience remains quintessentially S-Class, serene, poised, and utterly confident. Even at high speeds, the cabin is whisper quiet, with road and wind noise virtually eliminated. The steering is precise without feeling twitchy, and the brakes deliver confident stopping power with a progressive pedal feel. It's a car that makes every journey, whether across town or across the country, feel effortless. For those who want to personalize their S-Class, Mercedes offers an expanded Designo customization program for 2026, allowing for bespoke paint finishes, unique interior materials, and even custom embroidery. Whether you want a discreet executive look or a more flamboyant, statement-making presence, the possibilities are virtually limitless. In essence, the 2026 Mercedes S-Class continues to be more than just a car. It's a statement of status, an embodiment of luxury, and a showcase of where automotive technology is heading. It blends old-world craftsmanship with futuristic innovation in a way that very few vehicles can match. The competition may be fierce, but the S-Class proves once again why it remains the benchmark. For those who demand the very best in comfort, performance, and prestige, the 2026 S-Class doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. If you'd like, I can also create a heavy clickbait YouTube title, description, keywords, and hashtags package for this 2026 Mercedes S-Class review so it's ready to post. Would you like me to prepare that?